Alright, boys and girls, welcome to Gruvgear Guitar with our great collab here, Nicky Jam and Beéle. Bien, that's the title of this song. I think that translates into okay, and this is a very okay song. So let's go into this tutorial. Before we're gonna do that, I just want to highlight my secondary YouTube channel. It's called Gruvgear Guitar 6 Strings Ago. I play a full playthrough of songs there. It's fairly new to this channel, so if you want to support me, then go and check that channel out. 6 strings ago, and subscribe. Thank you so much, very much. And let's go into this one. We have a setup here. First fret capo here, and with that we have 3 simple chords. We have F, A minor, and G. So let's go into the chords first. F, which is a bar chord, so you place index finger on the 1st fret. You push down all strings there. Then you need to add 3rd A, 3rd D, and 2nd G. The next is A minor, and that goes open A, 2nd D, 2nd G, 1st B, and open E. And finally we have the G, and that will be 3rd E, 2nd A, open D, open G, open B, and 3rd E. So we're gonna look into this simple melody first, and we're gonna learn it chord by chord. And it's actually 2 notes only, alternating. So for F, you're gonna play as 1 round, okay? So that's 1st fret on E string in the bass, and then you alternate that with the 2nd fret G string. That will be 1 round. So 4 rounds of that of F. So then we go into the next A minor chord. You're gonna alternate the open A string with the 1st B. You're gonna play for 2 times, so. And then finally you have the G. You're gonna alternate the 3rd fret E string in the bass with the open B. And you do that for 2 times, so. And that will be the end of one round. So F4, A minor 2, and G2 like this. Again. Okay. Then finally we have the strumming pattern, and it is a very common one when it comes to this sort of music. So you're gonna play like this. Okay. So 1 down first, short pause, and then up, clap, down. That will be 1 string round. So down, up, clap, down, down, up, clap, down. So that's how it goes. F, you're gonna play 2 string rounds, A minor 1 and G 1. So. You just keep on rolling that melody or strumming F, A minor, G. That's what's going on, and that's how I handle Nicky Jams and Beéle's Bien. Thank you so much for watching, guys, and see you soon. Play tuned.